Number 78, create a new data set called Attack of the Clone. Calculate the year of birth if the character were alive today. Show the character's name and their year of birth. So first, create an object called current year to pick the current year as numeric from the sysdate, formatted as year. Then I'm going to create a new object called Attack of the Clones, a new data set. Put in Star Wars, pipe Star Wars in and select name, birth, and year. We're going to filter is not birth year. We're going to take out all the NAs in birth year. Pipe that in. Then mutate. We're going to change birth year to numeric. Then we're going to create a new column called year of birth, which is the current year, which we created up here, minus the birth year. And then we're going to select name and year of birth. And then we'll display the results. So run that, and then run that. And Luke Skywalker, if they were alive today, would have been born in 2005. C-3PO is a little older. Let's look at it in GT real quick. I want to see Yoda. She's 538. Okay, let's see. Chewbacca, 1824. Jabba, 1424. Yoda would have been born in the year 1128. It's pretty old. Okay, moving on. Add a column to Attack of the Clones called birthday. Make all the birthdays May the 4th in the year they were born. This year we've already created. So Attack of the Clones, I'm now going to assign as Attack of the Clones. Pipe that in and select name and year of birth. Mutate year of birth to numeric again. And birthday, I'm going to say make date, year of birth, month 5 for May, day 4. So May the 4th of the year of birth. All right. So run that, display the result, and now we've added the birthday column using the make date, extracting the year of birth and using the make date. Everybody's not going to have the same birthday like that, so that was a little ridiculous. Just so I could work in May the 4th. So add a random number of days between 1 and 100 to get birthday to get a column with different birthdays. So we're going to mix it up. So the Attack of the Clones is now Attack of the Clones. Pipe that in, select name and birthday, which we created, and mutate new birthday, new column, birthday, plus days, random sample of 1 to 100, replace equals true. Okay, let's run that and see Attack of the Clones again. So now the birthdays are different. It looks a little more believable. And that was to show you how we could replace that birthday with something else. Uh, some more date functions. So we want to add a month name column to this. So Attack of the Clones. Pipe it in. Mutate month name, new column equals the month of new birthday. Label equals true, abbreviation equals false. And there we go. Label equals true. Label was false, and that's default. It'd be June would be 6th, August would be 8th. If abbreviation was true, it'd be JUN and AUG, but I wanted to read it this way, so label is true and abbreviation equals false. Get the full month name. I had a column showing the difference in days between one name and the next in days, ordered by the year of birth. Seems like a window function. So attack of the clones, pipe it in, mutate, new birthday as date, new birthday, arrange by new birthday, and mutate a new column called diff days. And it's lead new birthday minus new birthday. So the birthday after it minus the birthday. So Yoda is 108,000 days older than Jabba. Jabba is 146,000 days older than Chewie. Chewie's 32,000 days older than C-3PO, Dooku, and so on and so forth. Now we're going to get into some ggplot 2. So create a point plot for mass versus height with point color set to species. Filter out Java and use the minimal theme. So ggplot's great with the pipe. You'll notice a couple differences though. So Star Wars, I want to pipe in. We're going to take the isnas out of height and mass, and set the species not equal to hut to filter out Java because he's just such an outlier. It throws the point plot off. We're going to pipe that into the ggplot. And since we use the pipe, we don't have to put our data in. So we say AES. And I could say X equals mass, but you don't have to put X. It knows the first one is X. And Y equals height. You don't have to put Y. It knows the second one is height. Then col is color. You can write out color in the American or British or COL. So we want to color them by species and make them a little bigger. Size is 2. Then instead of the pipe, once you move into ggplot to add additional layers, plots, and themes, etc., use a plus sign. So plus, then our plot type is a geom point plus, and we'll run with a theme minimal. All right, so now we have, let me zoom this one and drag it over for you. Uh, Scatter plot, nice colored circles by species, mass on the x-axis and height on the y. Okay, uh, to this graph, add a smooth layer. Well, same thing, so you guys don't have to change yours. Just go down here between geom point and theme minimal and add the geom smooth. And then we'll run that. And what the geom smooth does, by species, it's running a line. It's only doing the two most common ones. So it's plotting those on a line with the error band around it. Geom point. There you go, a little bigger. So that's that, geom point with the smooth laid on top of it. You can just keep adding layers to these graphs. I'm going to try to keep these to around 10 minutes. That's enough for this section. This is the way.